Okay, so altimeter is set. Transponder is to alt. Heat is on, landing next round. Golf Yankee Hotel is taking off 24.
Golf Yankee Hotel.
Got a little bit of wind to the right today. Speed is alive. Everything is still in the green. At 60 knots, rotate. Is 1,000 feet. Landing lights come off, fuel pump comes off. Golf Yankee Hotel, we're continuing westbound, switching to Edinburgh radar 121.205. See you later.
Golf Yankee Hotel, Roger, speak to you later, Paul.
Edinburgh radar, good morning. Golf Bravo, Golf Yankee Hotel, request zone transit. Hopefully you should have our details in the system.
Golf Bravo, Golf Yankee Hotel, Edinburgh radar, good morning. Yeah, I do have your details. Just remain outside the zone for the moment. I'll call you back as soon as I can.
We'll stay outside the zone, Golf Yankee Hotel.
Tomjet 798, turn left heading 280 degrees, cleared ILS runway 24.
Left head 280 degrees, and cleared ILS 24, Tomjet 798.
Golf Bravo, Golf Yankee Hotel, cleared to transit the northern part of the Edinburgh control zone, VFR not above altitude 2,000 feet, QNH 1013.
Copy, clear to enter the zone, VFR not above 2,000 feet, QNH 1013, Golf Yankee Hotel.
American 278, turn left, heading 280 degrees, clear to the ILS, runway 24.
Left turn 280, clear to the ILS, runway 24, American 278.
Golf Yankee Hotel is overhead Cope Bridge at 2,000, request frequency change to Glasgow 119.1.
Golf Yankee Hotel, roger that, frequency change approved, and for them, if you squawk 2601, they are expecting you.
Roger, we'll squawk 2601, frequency change approved, Golf Yankee Hotel, thanks for the help.
Okay.
Glasgow radar, good morning. Golf Bravo, Golf Yankee Hotel, with you, squawking 2601. Hopefully you should have details, request zone transit.
Golf Bravo, Golf Yankee Hotel, Glasgow radar, hello, and report your level, Glasgow QNH 1014. Information echo is current.
Copy, we have echo, and we're at 1,700 and 1014, Golf Yankee Hotel.
Golf Yankee Hotel, that's correct, you identified it as a basic service. I've got on your flight plan here, Burton, Kingston Bridge, Barhead, East Kilbride, and then back out, is that correct?
That's correct, Golf Yankee Hotel, and copy basic service.
Golf Bravo, Golf Yankee Hotel, roger, you're clear to transit controlled airspace, routing Kingston Bridge, Barhead, East Kilbride, VFR, not above altitude 2,000 feet.
Roger, clear to enter zone via Kingston Bridge, Barhead, East Kilbride, not above 2,000 feet, VFR, Golf Yankee Hotel.
Golf Yankee Hotel, readback is correct. Report entering the zone. Runway 23 is in use.
Roger, we'll report entering the zone and copy 230 active, Golf Yankee Hotel. Golf Yankee Hotel is on final 24 for a full stop.
Golf Yankee Hotel, roger. Alex Sporty Paul.
A lot of fun.
And Golf Yankee Hotel, if I can let Golf Sierra Alpha just backtrack before you, please.
From Golf Yankee Hotel, we'll just hold the position.
Golf Sierra Alpha entering a Delta backtrack line up.
Golf Sierra Alpha, roger.
Thanks, guys.
Golf Sierra Alpha, just for information, there were a few birds on my short final. I might have had a bird strike on the runway.
Golf Yankee Hotel, roger, whereabouts, Paul?
Just past the threshold.
Roger, we'll give that a look in a wee minute or two.
Yeah, this is Golf Sierra Alpha. You got 4 oyster catchers here who just won't move.
I'll be the ones. And Golf Yankee Hotel, we're backtracking to 4 we'll exit Charlie.
Golf Yankee Hotel, roger. Can't see any wee bodies on the runway, Alan.
That's what I'm thinking. Nothing here, so I think you're probably safer on the man from the RSPB.
The Golf Yankee Hotel is clear. 24 via Charlie. We're taxiing to north side of Apron.
Golf Yankee Hotel, roger.
Golf Sierra Alpha taking off runway 24.
Golf Sierra Alpha, roger.